Election season hasn't really started, but Operation Dudula has already broken a promise. These guys promised us that today, when schools open on the 14th of January, they'll be going to schools checking if students are illegal or legal immigrants. Well, they didn't do that. Instead, these guys went to the Department of Education to complain to politicians. Yeah. Yeah, these guys, man, like Operation Dudula guys. They went to the Department of Education.
When you engage the parents, what are some of the reasons that they gave you in terms of why their children are not yet placed?
It's a number of different reasons. One of the reasons is the system itself. It's too complicated. The system itself reject. So there's a number of challenges with the system itself, but also the incompetency.
I work at a school and there was no Operation Dudula. And I even asked the teachers that, okay, I see there are many students that registered this year. And they said, yes, there are many students more than last year. And I asked them, is there still space for other students? And they said, there's plenty of space. There's plenty of space. Because I think at the school, they like have 700 students, if I'm not mistaken at the moment. And they said they need 300 more to reach 1,000. They need more students. Schools need more students. So there's not even an issue where there's no space. There's no issue like that. The incompetence comes from the government. If there's any student that hasn't got any space, is because of government incompetence. And government incompetence is happening because they have a new system of registering students online. They're not using papers anymore. So yeah, it's going to be very slow for students. It's going to be, people who didn't capture the right information. There's going to be a lot of errors. So Operation Dudula, there's nothing they can do. And another thing as well, Operation Dudula have been stopped by the government. There's a court interdict saying that Operation Dudula is not even allowed to check teachers, because Operation Dudula wanted to check teachers if it's illegal or illegal immigrants, right? If the teachers are, adhering to the law. So the Department of Education even stopped these guys from doing that. There's a court interdict that they are not even allowed to come into schools to check anyone. And I said it even last year that if Operation Dudula, they are going to go after students, they are done for. And it's looking like that Operation Dudula is going through irrelevancy. Imagine they are going to be irrelevant while we are 4 months away from voting local elections. These guys are done.